hi to all of our Patreons. Today I am bringing you another makeup look. Today's look is going to be Deb's mugshot look. Now this was Deb pre-facelift. This was Deb in the height of her, well, I can't really say in her height of her hot mess because she's like a super hot mess now, but only she's trying to be like a teenager. So here is the inspiration picture that I'm using. This is Deb, beautiful mugshot. I'm going to try to get those bags under my eyes, all those wrinkles, because like I said, this was pre-facelift. I'm also going to try to get those beady redness like all in the eyes. So yeah, that is my inspiration. And without further ado, I'm going to try to make myself look as much like Deb as I possibly can. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make the bags under my eyes and make the wrinkles. So I'm going to start off with like a dense like pencil brush, and I'm just going to outline all of the wrinkles and the bags and things like that. I'm going to make them as baggy and as wrinkly as possible because like I said, this was pre-facelift, pre like teen mom heightened money, so she was pretty wrinkly. So I'm just going to do that now with a color, an eyeshadow color that's a few shades darker than my skin tone.
I'm a fly sugar mama, and it's plain to see. No one does it better than Deb. All the people hating, I'm gonna let them be. They're not getting money like Deb. Be my sugar mama.
Outline the natural bags that you already have. Thankfully for me, I was blessed with not so heavy bags under my eyes, so this is gonna be real tough. But I'm going to do my best. So just outline your regular creases and your regular bags.
Deb, all the people hating, I'm gonna let them be. They're not getting money like Deb.
Be my sugar mama if she did show me. Got her own OC, she so Deb OG. All the plots and paper haters mad all week, acting bad.
And don't forget to move up your eye to really hollow out the face. I'm going to alternate between the pencil brush and this blending brush just to blend out like the harsh lines.
Be my sugar mama if she did show me. Got her own OC, she so Deb OG. All the plots and paper haters mad all week, acting bad.
And I'm just going to create more of a shadow using a little bit darker of a brown color and just doing it very lightly where I put those original bags.
Deb, all the people hating, I'm gonna let them be. They're not getting.
Okay, so the bags are mostly done. Now I'm gonna move on to wrinkles. So what you want to do with her wrinkles is just create the wrinkles, like the lines in your own face, and use the pencil brush and the blending brush just to outline those as well, kind of like what you did with the bags.
Deb OG, all the plots and paper haters mad all week, acting bad as she be, think she Deb OG, Deb OG. Be my sugar mama if she did show me.
And I wouldn't exactly call these laugh lines on Deb, I would call these miserable lines.
Acting bad as she be.
From intense frowning and constant disappointment.
It's out the park, no need to buck. Got her own and she got her home. When I slide through, kick my feet up. She a OG, get to know me, let she hold me.
And you're going to do the same with the forehead.
Mommy right from the face down. Gotta say now what you say now. Another dollar, another day now. My angel cry, it'll rain now. Bat and Bougie all the way round. Shorty on a mission, more than in the kitchen. Call me if she need. I call her when I want. No talking after 3. My sugar mama if she did show me. Got her own OC, she so Deb.
Okay, so now that I'm basically done with most of the wrinkles, I'm going to move on to those super red bloodshot eyes. Now in the photo, her lids look like she was attacked by a hive of bees. So I'm going to use a red lip liner to kind of just fill in my lids and make them look as red and disgusting as possible. I want it to look like I was bitten by a hive of bees just on my eyelids, you know? So I'm also going to add that red rim around my eyes to complement the bags, and I'm going to blend it all out using my finger.
Chicks just wanna be you, mommy. They thirsty, hurry, get them some Dasani. She steady grinding to get it. Say take your time and I'm with it. Look in her eyes and you see it. The final copy, no edits. I'm talking mama bed, grooves back, reclining chair. Use that. Kick game like the Knicks game. Orange and blue that. Get it? Blue that. Snoozing, you lose that. It's written in black and white.
You want to get it as close to the lash line as possible for the red rim.
About the paper haters mad all week, acting bad as she be, think she Deb, OG.
I'm a fly sugar mama, and it's plain to see. No one does it better than Deb, OG. All the people hating, I'm gonna let them be. They're not getting.
I want the red to be even more shocking and more swollen looking, so I'm going to add a little red eyeshadow on top of that, just patting it and blending it out using my finger.
I'm a fly sugar mama, and it's.
And then to kind of make my eyes look a little more swollen from probably she was crying all day from beating her daughter, I'm going to just use a shadow that's a little bit darker than my skin tone just to really make my eyes look a little more puffy.
OC, she so Deb, OG. All about the paper haters mad all week.
Just kind of creating a shadow with the eyeshadow.
OG, Deb, OG.
Don't forget, this is a makeup tutorial after all, so really you want to blend because that is my number one rule as a makeup artist. And even when I'm doing these horrific parodies, I do like it to look a little bit put together, so don't forget to blend.
Got her own and she got her home. When I slide through, kick my feet up. She a OG, get to know me, let she hold me all the way down. Play a hater all the way left. Mommy right from the face down. Gotta say now what you say now. Another dollar, another day now. My angel cry, it'll rain now. Bad and bougie all the way round. Shorty on a mission, more than in the kitchen. Call me if she need. I call her when I want. No talking after 3. My sugar mama, if she did show me. Got her own OC, she so Deb, OG. All about the paper haters mad all week.
Now that is basically it for this Debz OG mugshot makeup tutorial. So this was the inspiration picture. Let me just remind you. This was the inspo. And this is me. So I think that I kind of grasped the main characteristics of the look. I have the bee stung eyes, I have the insane wrinkles and bags. I mean, there's only so much I could do about the crazy eyes. I don't really have Deb crazy eyes, thank God. So that is basically it. This is my interpretation of Deb's mugshot. So I think for the next video I'm going to do an OG Amber Portwood orange face black eyeshadow kind of look, so let me know if you guys would want to see that, and also give me other requests of makeup tutorials that you would like to see from the OG or Teen Mom 2 or Young and Pregnant characters, because let's be honest, that's what they are. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to listen to the podcast Teen Mom Trash Talk. Follow us on Twitter, Teen Mom Podcast. Come on our Snapchat, TM Trash Talk. Follow us on Instagram, Teen Mom Trash Talk. Make sure you rate and review us in the iTunes store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.